When it comes to your commercial property in Dallas, every element of the building reflects your business's commitment to quality, security, and professionalism. Doors are no exception. They serve as the first line of defense, provide functionality, and contribute to your building's overall aesthetic. If your doors are outdated, damaged, or inefficient, replacing them with the help of a professional is the smartest move. Here are the top 5 reasons why you should rely on experts for commercial door replacement in Dallas. Expert knowledge and skill. Replacing commercial doors isn't as simple as swapping one door for another. A professional has the expertise to assess your specific needs and recommend the right solution, considering factors like security, energy efficiency, and building codes. For instance, Dallas businesses often deal with varying weather conditions, and professionals can suggest materials and designs that withstand heat, rain, or even storms. They also have the technical know-how to ensure proper installation, preventing issues like misalignment, drafts, or wear and tear caused by incorrect setup. Compliance with local building code. In a bustling city like Dallas, commercial properties must adhere to strict local building codes and regulations. Professionals are well versed in these requirements and ensure your new doors comply with safety standards, including fire resistance, ADA accessibility, and emergency egress. Non-compliance can lead to hefty fines or legal issues, so it's crucial to get it right the first time. Hiring a professional saves you from the hassle of navigating complex legal requirements and guarantees peace of mind. Enhanced security features. Security is a top priority for any commercial property. Whether you operate a retail store, office, or warehouse, having secure and durable doors is essential to protect your assets, employees, and customers. Professionals can recommend advanced security features such as reinforced frames, shatter-resistant glass, or smart locks that integrate with your building's security system. They also know how to install these features effectively, ensuring maximum protection against break-ins or vandalism. Cost-effectiveness over time. While it may be tempting to cut costs by handling door replacement yourself or hiring a general handyman, these options can backfire. Improper installation can lead to recurring issues like drafts, energy loss, or frequent repairs, costing you more in the long run. Professionals ensure the job is done correctly the first time, using high-quality materials and reliable techniques. Additionally, many professional services offer warranties, giving you added financial security. In the long term, the investment in professional expertise can lead to significant savings. Minimal disruption to your business. Time is money, especially for businesses in Dallas's fast-paced commercial environment. DIY door replacement or using inexperienced contractors can result in extended downtime, disrupting your daily operations and inconveniencing employees and customers. Professional door replacement services work efficiently, often accommodating your schedule to minimize disruption. With their experience and specialized tools, they can complete the installation quickly and accurately, allowing your business to resume normal operations in no time. Why Dallas businesses should act now. Dallas is a competitive city with businesses striving to leave a lasting impression. A professional-looking and well-functioning commercial door can enhance your property's curb appeal, attract customers, and build trust. Additionally, with the city's unique weather patterns and urban demands, partnering with a local professional ensures that your door replacement is tailored to your business's specific needs. They understand Dallas's market and environmental conditions, ensuring your investment pays off in both functionality and appearance. Final thoughts. Choosing a professional for your commercial door replacement in Dallas is an investment in quality, security, and efficiency. From compliance with building codes to enhancing security and reducing long-term costs, professionals bring unmatched value to the table. Don't leave such an important aspect of your business to chance. Work with experts to ensure your commercial doors make a strong, lasting impression. When it's time to upgrade your doors, trust Dallas's top professionals to deliver a seamless, hassle-free experience. Your business deserves nothing less than the best, and the right door can make all the difference.